Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Going down jumping jacks, we're going to see what we can see on the way. Got Playgirl over there. Now I'm trying to do the sound a different way now. I don't know whether we're going to stick with this or stick with it on the video. I'm trying to record the sound afterwards. So we'll have to see how it goes. Down by the Marina hotel now. Have a walk past there. Have a look at the White Star ship, which is now the pub. There we go. You can just see the funnels. Yeah, called funnels. At the road you can see the Dublin and the Shamrock. It's a good breakfast in the Shamrock apparently, so we'll be having a look at that when they reopen. Looks a lot bigger hotel than I thought, this Marina. It goes back up the street around the corner quite a bit. And there's the bar there. They have some good acts on in there. They have quite a lot of acts on. It's a nice place to have an evening out with the White Star on the ship. And there's the bit that broke off. Fantastic guys. I think you know who these guys are. The Beatles in Benidorm, eh? Whatever next. Over the road we've got Andy's bar. Surprised that's not reopened yet. They were doing quite well when they did open. Right, it looked like they're doing quite well. There's always people there. I wonder when that's going to reopen. Planet Benidorm across the road there. And next door to that there's Yorkshire Pride. I think that's maybe the original one. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that might be the original one. Doesn't seem to have a number on. The Winning Post next door. That's one we get asked for about quite a lot. It's open, it's not as busy as it was on the weekend. Saturday the bar seemed to get very busy. I've done for about 3 or 4 weeks now. And we're going into view of jumping jacks now. if you'd like to subscribe and subscribe, we got it now this time. If you want to leave a donation, the PayPal will be underneath. Jumping Jacks here. Didn't recognise the guy who was singing. He's a tribute act that does Meatloaf in Benidorm. I dare say you've seen him when you've been over. Didn't recognise him at all. Sue told me it was him because apparently Sue's his wife there. Let's just hope we don't copyright on that bit. The trouble with going past Jumping Jacks. Nice to hear them with the music back on now, the singer back on. Brilliant. And you'll see Sue on a scooter in a minute. Just getting down to the path by the Rio there. That wasn't her, guys. Not quite that quick. Behind the corner there, it seems to do quite well. There always seems to be people in that little bar there. See Sue in a minute, I'm sure. Yeah, there she is on the scooter. That's the path up to the Rio Park. Just carrying up there. We'll carry on down, we'll have a look at the shops over the road there. Doesn't seem to be many bars open on this strip really. I think they're all waiting for everybody to come back and then they'll open up. It's more a nightclub type strip. Lots of entertainment. Entertainment's still got to go off at 6 o'clock, so and everything else. You see the Xoxo bar there. That's what we call it. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Show you why we call it the Xoxo bar in a minute. There you go, XO. Coming to the end of the video now. If you want to see more from Benidorm, click on the video that's coming up in the card. Anytime now. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.